Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make lavender back charm. If you like to make this kind of back charm where it is easy to make but also looks really cute, I also have another videos where I show you how to make puff flowers and also tulip back charm. I will make sure to leave the link on the description box below. We are going to start with a slip knot, so we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to hold the tip of the yarn and we're going to pull on both sides, and that is a slip knot. We're going to continue with 33 chains. We are going to skip the first and the second chain, and we're going to make 2 double crochet on the third chain. So wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the first and the second loops, yarn over and pull through the loops. That is a double crochet. We're going to make another double crochet still on the same chain. We're going to move into the next chain and we are going to make a slip stitch. Continue with 5 chains. And we are going to make another slip stitch still on the same chain. We are going to move into the next chain and basically we're just going to repeat the pattern. So we're going to make a slip stitch. Continue with 5 chains. And then slip stitch still on the same chain. Move into the next chain. We're going to make a slip stitch. Continue with 5 chains. Then another slip stitch on the same chain. And we can just repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the chains. When you've reached the end of the chain, it's going to look like this. If your lavender turns out to be a little bit spaced out and loose like this, then you can just turn the lavender clockwise so that it is a little bit tighter, like so. And once you're done, you can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And we are going to make 2 pieces. Next we're going to make the leaf and we are going to start with another slip knot. Then continue with 19 chains. skip the first chain, and on the second chain we're going to make a single crochet. So we're going to insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. That is a single crochet. We're going to make a half double crochet next. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through all the loops. That is half double crochet. We're going to continue with double crochet for the next 5 chains. Continue with another half double crochet on the next chain. Then a single crochet on the next chain. And that is basically the pattern for the leaf. We are now going to repeat the pattern. So we're going to make a single crochet on the next chain. Another half double crochet on the next chain. Continue with double crochet on the next 5 chains. There will be 2 chains left. We're going to make a half double crochet. And then on the last chain, we're going to make a single crochet. So we are halfway done making the leaf. We are going to repeat the same pattern. So we're going to start with a single crochet, but we're going to make it on the same chain as the last single crochet. And then we're going to move to the other side of the chain, and we are going to make a half double crochet next. Continue with double crochet for the next 5 chains. Then we're going to make a half double crochet next. Continue with a single crochet. So we are done with the first side of the leaf, and we are going to repeat the pattern one last time. So start with a single crochet, a half double crochet next, continue with double crochet for the next 5 chains. Make a half double crochet next. And then on the last chain, we're going to make a single crochet. So we are done with the leaf. We can cut the yarn and weave in the end. To make the string, we're going to start with another slip knot. Then we're going to make 50 chains, or at least 20 centimeters long. You can definitely add more chains if you want a longer string. And then once you're done, you can cut the yarn, but we're going to leave a long tail for sewing. Now we are going to insert the string into the leaf, and we are going to grab a needle for that. And we are going to insert the string into the middle part of the leaf. And we are going to continue with sewing the string and the lavender together. You can also make a multiple knots to make sure that the lavender and the strings are tied together. And then once you're done, you can weave in the leftover yarn, and we are going to do the same thing for the other side of the string. Once it's done, it's going to look like this. We have a multiple ways to show the lavender as a back charm. The first one is the easiest one, so we can use this just the way it is. So we can just tie it around the handle. You can also use this ball chain to attach the lavender into the back. And then the last one, you can also use this cable ring. This one is kinda similar to the ball chain one, but this one is definitely safer than the ball chain. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!